Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to add percentage value of total and calculated fields in pivot table. After creating pivot table, we need to include further data or calculation for the data analysis. Now for example, we have revenue data set of different department, and to add the percentage contribution of individual department or to calculate the commission of each group, you don't need to perform manual calculation in Excel. Also, there is no need to add any calculated field in the data table. In this example, pivot table summarizes the revenue for each department. Now to show the percentage contribution of individual group, drag the revenue in the values section, click drop down and select value field settings option, select show value as tab, and in show value as drop down, select percentage of grand total. Click OK. Now the contribution of individual department is added in the pivot table. To change heading, select value field settings again, type percentage contribution. Click OK. To add any calculated field in the pivot table, we have to use field items and set option, which is available in the calculations group. Now for example, if commission is 10% of revenue, then to add the calculated field commission, select any field in the pivot table and in the analyze group, click on field items and sets option and select calculated field option. Now in insert calculated field box, enter any field name. So type commission, and in formula field, type the required formula. Now in our example, commission is 10% of revenue. So double click the revenue field, or you can select the revenue field and click insert field option. Types asterisk sign for multiplication, 0.1 for 10 percentage. Now click add button. The commission is now added in the fields box. Click OK, and the commission is now added in the pivot table. Again, you can change the heading. Click on drop down, select value field settings and add commission value. Click OK. We can add complex calculation in the pivot table. In this example, we have bill amount data, and the pivot table summarizes the bill amount for individual person. To calculate the tax value as per the given conditions, we can add formula within the pivot table. So again, select any field in the pivot table, go to the analyze option and click on fields item and sets option, select calculated field. In the name field, add the field name text, and in the formula field, type if statement. If open bracket, the first condition is if bill amount is less than 5,000, tax value will be 0, comma. The second condition is if bill amount is less than 10,000, the tax amount will be 10% of bill amount. And as per the third condition, if bill amount is greater than 10,000, the tax value will be 20% of bill amount. Close all the three if statements. Click on add button, click OK, and the text is added in the pivot table. So in this way, you can add percentage of total and a calculated field in the pivot table. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification. Thanks for watching.